stack one on top of the other and make a house out of it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I've been looking at all kinds of stuff to do. Because he's gonna need his space and stuff. Because eventually it's gonna go to him. So we have to build
Lucky
it for
you.
him.
Yeah.
Take care of your mommy.
Oh, I do.
He does.
I do.
He does, yeah. And he would have brought all that stuff in the car, but it wouldn't fit, so that's why he got the van. I love to drive anyway, I don't care. I drive anywhere.
And you were in Salinas? Where did you say you live?
We live in Manteca,
Okay.
Yeah.
and we
That's a
used to
little
live in
past Stockton
Salem.
or before Stockton?
That's past
Going that
Stockton.
way, you'd go past, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the hub where everybody comes in from San Francisco and you go to,
Okay.
you know, the 205 in that
Right, right.
area.
Because when I chrome that front end, I'm going to Fresno with it, to Mecland.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had talked to them or I had emailed them, but they hadn't gotten back to me yet.
Because I had another company do my stuff for me, and then they went out of business, so I had to start going back to Sherm's. Sherm's is, I shouldn't be saying this on. I don't want to badmouth anybody.
Yeah.